severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Jefferson Davis Parish in southwestern Louisiana, southern Evangeline Parish in central Louisiana, northwestern Acadia Parish in southwestern Louisiana, west central St. Landry Parish in central Louisiana, southeastern LN Parish in southwestern Louisiana, until 4:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:50 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Basile, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and ping pong ball size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Eunice, Ville Platte, Mabou, Basile, Elton, Chautauqua, Louetta, Savoy, Durald, Swords, Richard, Riddle, Lawtell, Prairie Ronde, and Hathaway. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time for central and southwestern Louisiana.